Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to reorder items on the Postmates app. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and reorder the same items on your Postmates app. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, what you're first going to do is log on to the Postmates app. Next, click on your profile icon in the bottom right hand corner. Then click on Orders on the top right. Then click on Past Orders. And this is where you're going to find the order which you want to go ahead and reorder. So click on Reorder, and there you have it. It's now been added to your cart. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and reorder items on the Postmates app. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.